Beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 8 of Vlogmas. If I'm wrong, the right date is always in the title. When I skipped a day for styling or skipped numbering a day for styling, I got my little numbers mixed up. But today is Vlogmas. It is Sunday night, and I have been wanting to do what I'm about to show you in this video for a very long time, and that is starting a series called Let's Get Dressed. So in my real life, in the real world, every Sunday night, I get dressed for the week. I pull every item that I plan to wear in the work week and I put it on this rack, and I pull two alternatives. I pull bags as well as shoes, because during the week, I don't have time to plan my outfits like I want every night or every morning. That's why I feel rushed, or I'll feel like my look just does not represent who I am and what I'm trying to bring every day into the office or wherever I'm going. So two things that's critical that I always have with me when I do this, I have my work phone and I always look up what the weather is. I will say that, and then I'm showing a little bra. So I am in Houston. You can see it is 8:08 p.m. and I want you to get dressed with me. Welcome to Vlogmas. Let's get dressed. So I always have my app for the weather, and I always have my calendar for what's going on during the week. First, we check the weather. So tomorrow, it's gonna basically rain all day, 90%. And the high is 75, the low is 54. And then Tuesday, it's dry. Wednesday, it's dry. Thursday, it rains and it's hot. It gets up to 80 degrees. Friday, it rains and it's hot. So that's it. So I need to account for rainy days, hot days, and basically one kind of cold day where the high is only 60 degrees. This is Houston's weather. But then flipping to my Outlook calendar, on tomorrow, I only have one meeting. I'm basically probably gonna work from home tomorrow if I can. So I'm just gonna prepare tomorrow as a work from home day. And then Tuesday is very, very busy. I have a lot of run-throughs for my meeting or my presentation to the board, and Tuesday is also my job's holiday party. So I want to look kind of cute for that. That goes from 5 to 8 p.m. So on Tuesday, my first meeting starts at 8 a.m. and the last event stops at 8 p.m. So that means I need to wear some comfortable shoes. Wednesday, I have to set up for the digital showcase where I'm presenting to the executive leadership team on Tuesday. So I need to look very professional. And then Wednesday is a 2-outfit day because I need to have my normal clothes at the beginning of the day and then my very professional suit for when I present to the board of directors. So I need 2 outfits for, Thursday. And then Friday, I only have one meeting, but it has to be in the office when I host that meeting. So, let's get dressed based on all of that I just told you. And I keep this up because I have to keep referencing it and making sure that I'm dressed for what's coming up on this calendar. This is how I get dressed. This is how I style in the real world. This is how I make sure my looks are not accidental. It's also why I have time in the mornings to film those reels and those looks of the day on YouTube or on Instagram, because I have already pulled those looks on Sunday night for the entire week, plus 2 alternatives. Why 2 alternatives? Because you know how sometimes you think something's gonna work out and then you get up that morning and just you woke up on the wrong side of the bed and you're not feeling it, your outfit is not giving you what you want it to give, you know, you might be a little bloated, you might have a little inflammation, you know, you might have stubbed your toe and need a alternative shoe to wear. That's why I always pull alternatives, because then your alternatives are already planned. You are planning the A's and the B's. Just saying. So I always pull at least 7 looks, but this week, because one day needs 2 looks, we're pulling 8 looks. This is real world styling, and I do it every single week. Normally, I would wheel this rack into my bedroom, and then I would go into my closet and just put things on the rack. But my boyfriend is in my bedroom and he's having a private phone conversation. So I'm going to do it in here, but just know going forward, we might be in a different location. I am starting off topic. I'm starting off topic because I'm trying to clear some stuff from that rack. Let me just be honest. I've had a lot of things on the rack, I've been waiting to show you. And this is an item that I was on the fence about. Like, am I gonna return this or not? Baby, I finally tried it on. I just pulled it off the rack blind and was like, oh, I'll try it on later. Never tried it on. But then with this shoulder out, I was like, where am I wearing this to? I just went in the room and told my boyfriend he needs to take me on some more date nights so I can get some wear out of this. This is a beautiful top. It's actually a little crop. It's not crop a lot. It's like crop for you're 39 and you got a belly. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is how it's looking. I just think it's like a vibe. And this is me right now. This is like cool middle-aged me, if that makes sense. And so I'm definitely gonna keep this. It is not going back, but I just need him to take me out so I can wear it some more, you know. It's a look. And this is another item that was on the rack that I am trying to clear out. I bought this as potential date night outfit. Let me show you this dress. I bought this as potential date night outfit, and I was wondering, I asked my boyfriend, like, do you think I should keep it for date nights or whatever? And he was like, yes, but this is when we're going on a really nice fancy date, because that's a very nice fancy dress. And so I didn't look at the dress in that way, but now I see that it is nicer than I thought it was. I got this dress from Nordstrom Rack. It's a size 8. I spent $49.97 on the dress, and the brand is Donna Morgan. So I really like it. It's very comfortable. It is fitted, but you know, it gives. So we're gonna keep this one too. All right, guys, so I have pulled all of my looks for the week, and I showed you what time I started, and it's now 8:58. So pulling every outfit, every bag, and all my shoes for the week took me 50 minutes, plus commentary with my boyfriend and trying on 2 looks that had nothing to do with the week, but I was just trying to clear my rack. So let me show you what I pulled for each day. So on Monday, I have 2 looks. I already know Monday's alternative. I have this H&M white shirt dress. So this shirt, I think it was only like 20 bucks at H&M, and it is something that's perfect for working from home, because this dress has very high slits on the side, and I will just wear that for the one call that I'm leading on Monday afternoon. If I have to go into the office, I would wear this, but I would probably just put some jeans or something like that underneath it so that it looks it becomes a shirt and not a dress. But an alternative, if it's just really, really hot tomorrow while it's raining, I'm gonna wear this J. Crew spotted leopard dress, V-neck. It still looks very good up top on a WebEx call, but not something that, you know, is gonna be fussy while I'm at home. So this is Monday. Tuesday, it's supposed to rain, but I have so many meetings. I probably have 7 meetings, and one includes a holiday party. So on With Tuesday, I'll probably wear this red dress. I got it from Nordstrom years ago. It's by the brand Socialite. The bag of the day would be the Coach bag. I forget the name of this bag, but I absolutely love it, y'all. I love this bag. And I might put a bandeau on top of here and tie it in like a Louis Vuitton bandeau and just make the bag look more festive. So this is what I plan to wear on Tuesday in the office, as well as to my holiday party. This is how I plan on being dressed for that. This is a faux wrap dress. It's comfy though, but you look pretty tailored. An alternative on Tuesday or on Wednesday is this Karl Lagerfeld dress. So I love like the wool blend on this dress. I love the flirty hem. It's navy blue and gray, very professional. So this is an alternative to when I have to present to the board. This is an alternative for when I have to present to the executive leadership team on Wednesday. And if so, because it's supposed to be hot, this is a sleeveless dress, but when I have to present to them, I can put on top of it this H&M blazer, and it's navy as well. So it's a very smart, tailored look, but it's also here for the weather. And then my main look for that day, what I'm probably gonna wear is a layered look. And then this is the Sue Studio bow front shirt with a plaid blazer, and then a midi black skirt that I got from Nordstrom as well. The shirt came from Nordstrom. The blazer came from Marshall's for like 20 bucks. It's a Calvin Klein blazer. Really like this look. And I would do the Cole Haan plaid shoes with this. It's a good look. Yeah, it's a very good look. And I like the black matte button with the black matte skirt. Oh, and on Tuesday, I will show you, I normally wear that red dress with red suede pumps, but because it's supposed to be a really ugly day in rain, I'm going to wear nude Calvin Klein pumps. These are just some tried and trues. I love these Calvin Klein pumps. They have a low heel. They are perfect for any woman wanting to wear heels into the office. Very comfortable. A pointy toe, but not uncomfortably so. And they give enough room on this side for your foot to slide in. And I love the Calvin Klein branding on the back in the gold. So these are the shoes for Tuesday. Then on Thursday in the morning, we are doing a open showcase for all of the employees, and I'm gonna be standing at the booth and presenting. And so I'm gonna wear these red joggers, very comfortable, and then this button down shirt. This is a halogen button down shirt. It is white, but this red ribbon detail in the front just makes it pop. And then I would wear these red suede shoes with this because I would also wear these shoes later in the day when I present to the board of directors. I plan on wearing this J. Crew suit with my Saint Laurent bag, my great bag for fall, and then these red pumps. So this would be the look when I present. Supposed to be suited and booted, and that's what I plan to wear. And then on Friday, I'm sure I will be dog tired, so I will wear a J. Crew window pane plaid sweater with some Ann Taylor pants. And then I want to play this up with yellow. So I have this yellow suede belt and then this yellow Gucci bag. So adding in these accessories, with the navy blue and white to make it a little more fun for Friday. I only have one meeting on that Friday, and I'm presenting to the marketing brand team. So I'm gonna wear these yellow heels as well. That's how I plan to end the week. The rainy day jacket for the week would be this one by Reese that I wore in Chicago. It was also rainy there. It's a trench. I never had a recent like trench coat, probably in the last 10 years. I really like this one. It's oversized. It fits over any sweater or blazers that you need it to. It just has really smart detailing, and I really like that. So this is the jacket for the week. Oh, I forgot to show the bag for Monday. Tuesday would be the medium black 3.1 Philip Lim Pashley. I got this off Poshmark. The Pashley is definitely one of my favorite brands of handbags. I mean, it's one of my favorite designs of handbags. I just think it's very smart. And the medium size is actually really, it has ample space. So thank you for getting dressed with me this week. This is how I style myself for the real world every week. I pull so many looks, and I pull alternatives, and I pull the shoes, and I pull the bags, because I do not have time to wake up in the morning and realize that the shirt is stained or it needs to be stained. Like if something was wrinkled or something, I would do that now. I would not wait until the week to handle that. I would do it now. Just like when I was trying to pull some pieces, I saw that some needed to go to the dry cleaners, but it's already Sunday night. We're not doing dry cleaning runs in the middle of the week unless we are dropping off. I cannot hold myself accountable for also picking up in the week. Can anybody else relate to this? It has been really fun getting dressed with you this week. I hope you come back next week while we get dressed again in episode 2. Let me know your thoughts on this new series below. As I say in every video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss an upcoming video or episode in this series. And I want you all to be blessed, to be a blessing. Girl Boss Beauties, Girl Boss Guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.